date with my friend. I have something interesting. For the last few years since Trudeau is there, I saw communism coming in, and I saw him destroying our country. Like all he did with Alberta, and like there was like 50,000 people that lost their jobs and stuff like that. I was so sad. I wanted to get out of this country. It was a shame. I had no pride in my country. And not long ago, like a few years ago, I was a retired registered nurse. I answered the call to come back to work. I worked for 2 years during the pandemic. And now I've been let go for non-paid leave because I'm not taking the job. And now I am a viewer. And since the truckers coming here gave me so much hope. There's light at the end of the tunnel. There's hope, joy. It's just unbelievable. And first time again, I don't remember when I had some. I'm proud to be a Canadian, and I will stand on guard for you, Canada.
Who doesn't mind talking to you?
Thank you. You're welcome.
You need to come and see for yourself.
Yes.
Because whatever they are saying on the media, it's totally false. Okay?
Yes.
That's when you love. It's a family-friendly event. People are loving each other, dancing together, laughing together. I've never met so many people that I don't know during all my life. And it's like we've been knowing each other for I don't know.
It's like Christmas. It's like New Year.
It's better than Canada Day.
It's the new Canada Day.
Exactly.
Yes.
So thank you everybody that are standing for Canada, praying for Canada. We are leading this movement, and the world is going to thank God and thank Canada. And thank you for receiving me as an immigrant. So I'm standing for all the immigrants because I came to this country when I was 13, and I'm from Haiti, and I embrace everything, and I love the country. And visit my website.